The Austrian Alps. Picture this, a winter wonderland. The air is crisp and clean, the snow sparkles under the bright sun, and the smell of pine trees fills the air. Come with us as we explore this amazing place and see why it's the best spot for your next winter trip. The Austrian Alps are more than just mountains. They're full of exciting things to do and see, making your winter adventure unforgettable. Let's dive into this winter paradise and uncover the secrets that make the Austrian Alps so special. The Austrian Alps are famous for skiing, and for good reason. They have some of the biggest and best kept ski areas in the world, perfect for everyone from beginners to experts. Snowboarding has also become super popular, and you can find awesome terrain parks and half pipes here. The Austrian Alps are a dream come true for anyone who loves freestyle, giving you tons of chances to try new tricks and become a pro. After a day on the slopes, imagine relaxing in a cozy cabin on the mountain, sipping hot chocolate, and sharing stories of your adventures with your family and friends. There's much more to do in the Austrian Alps than just ski. If you want something a little more peaceful, imagine putting on snowshoes and exploring the quiet beauty of a snowy forest. For something really cool, try climbing a frozen waterfall. And don't forget about the fun after a day of skiing. The Austrian Alps are known for their lively parties where you can relax with live music, dancing, and yummy local food. St. Anton am Arlberg, the birthplace of alpine skiing. This place, nestled in the Arlberg region, is more than just a ski resort. It's legendary. Known as the cradle of alpine skiing, skiers and snowboarders have been coming here for over 100 years. For those who love a challenge and experienced skiers, St. Anton has some of the toughest off-piste skiing in the world. The Valuga, a majestic peak overlooking the resort, is a beacon for thrill seekers, offering exhilarating descents through untouched powder fields. But don't worry, St. Anton isn't just for experts. The resort has plenty of groomed runs for all skill levels, from gentle slopes for beginners to challenging black runs for those feeling adventurous. And then there's the Après-Ski. St. Anton is famous for its lively Après-Ski scene, where you can celebrate a day on the slopes with music, dancing, and plenty of Austrian hospitality. The Muserwirt, a legendary Après-Ski bar on the mountainside, is a must-visit. St. Anton is where memories are made, both on and off the slopes. Kitzbühel, where legends are made. Kitzbühel, with its medieval charm and world-famous slopes, is more than just a ski resort, it's an experience. Kitzbühel is home to the Hahnenkamm, one of the most difficult downhill ski races in the world. Every year, the best skiers in the world come to this iconic mountain, pushing their skills and courage to the limit on the legendary Strife Run. But don't let Kitzbühel's reputation for challenging slopes scare you away. The resort has something for everyone, with plenty of gentle slopes for beginners and intermediates. Zell am See Kaprun, adventure meets tranquility. Zell am See Kaprun, nestled among the towering peaks and pristine waters of the Salzburg region, offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. skiers and snowboarders will be in their element at the ski circus Saal, Bach, Hinter, Glemm, Leogang, Fieberbrunn, one of Austria's largest interconnected ski areas. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, the frozen surface of Lake Zell transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for ice skating, cross-country skiing, or simply taking a leisurely stroll. And when you're ready to unwind after a day of adventure, Zell MC Kaprun offers a charming selection of restaurants, cafes, and bars. Imagine yourself cozying up in a traditional Austrian Gasthaus, savoring hearty local dishes, and warming up with a mug of Glühwein. Beyond the skis, a world of winter adventures. The Austrian Alps are a winter wonderland. And while skiing might be the main attraction, there's a whole world of other winter sports to try. For a touch of romance and nostalgia, a horse-drawn sleigh ride through snow-covered villages is an experience straight out of a fairy tale. Embrace the freestyle spirit. Snowboarding in the Alps. Snowboarding has become its own culture, and the Austrian Alps are a paradise for freestyle lovers of all levels. From beginner-friendly slopes to expert-level parks, the Austrian Alps have something for every snowboarding style and ability. The rush of adrenaline is addictive, and the feeling of accomplishment after landing a new trick is amazing. Dare to explore. Unconventional thrills await. For those seeking adventure beyond the slopes, the Austrian Alps offer a ton of unconventional winter sports guaranteed to get your adrenaline pumping. If you prefer speed and agility, try ice skating on one of the many frozen lakes or outdoor rinks scattered throughout the Alps. And for a truly unique adventure, consider trying snow kiting, a thrilling combination of skiing or snowboarding with the power of the wind. As the sun starts to set, casting long shadows across the snow-covered peaks, something magical happens in the Austrian Alps. The slopes slowly empty, the crisp mountain air fills with anticipation, and a warm, inviting glow comes from the windows of traditional alpine huts and lively village bars. Imagine yourself stepping off the slopes, your muscles pleasantly tired from a day of carving through powder, and heading towards the inviting warmth of a traditional wooden chalet. The smell of wood smoke and spiced Glühwein wafts through the air, beckoning you inside. The Austrian Après-Ski experience is about more than just drinks and partying. It's a celebration of hearty, soul-warming cuisine that's perfect for the alpine setting. Imagine yourself taking a bite of steaming Käsespätzle, soft, pillowy dumplings covered in a rich, creamy cheese sauce and topped with crispy fried onions. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a comforting embrace after a day spent in the crisp mountain air. Or maybe you'd prefer the iconic Wiener Schnitzel, a thin pan-fried cutlet of veal, pounded to perfection and coated in a crispy golden breadcrumb crust. Served with a squeeze of lemon and a side of creamy potato salad or tangy sauerkraut, it's a classic Austrian dish that always hits the spot. And for dessert, don't miss the chance to enjoy a slice of warm apple strudel. It's flaky pastry wrapped around a sweet and tart apple filling, often served with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. But the best part of the Austrian Après-Ski food experience is trying regional specialties and local delicacies. From hearty goulash soups to savory Tiroler Grüstel, a pan-fried dish of potatoes, onions, and meat. Each region of the Austrian Alps has its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. Planning your dream Austrian Alps escape starts with choosing the perfect time to experience the magic of winter. While the Alps are a year-round destination, each season offers a unique tapestry of experiences. For those seeking the quintessential winter wonderland, where snow-dusted peaks meet charming villages adorned with twinkling lights, the period between December and March is pure magic. During these months, the Austrian Alps transform into a skier's paradise. Imagine waking up to the sight of freshly groomed slopes, the sun glistening on a blanket of pristine powder, beckoning you to carve your own path through the alpine wilderness. The air is crisp and invigorating, carrying the promise of adventure and the allure of endless possibilities. If you're seeking a more tranquil experience, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of late autumn or early spring. While the snow conditions might not be ideal for skiing, these months offer a unique opportunity to witness the alpine landscape in transition. Imagine hiking through colorful forests ablaze with autumn hues, or witnessing the first blooms of spring wildflowers emerge from beneath the melting snow. One of the most enchanting aspects of the Austrian Alps is the warm hospitality and rich cultural heritage of its people. To truly immerse yourself in the alpine way of life, consider venturing beyond the bustling ski resorts and exploring the charming villages that dot the mountain landscape. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets lined with traditional wooden chalets, their balconies overflowing with colorful geraniums in the summer months, or adorned with twinkling lights during the festive winter season. Engage with the locals, practice your German phrases, and embrace the opportunity to savor authentic Austrian cuisine. Step inside a cozy Gasthaus, the aroma of schnitzel and apple strudel wafting through the air, and let the friendly staff guide you through the menu of regional specialties. These culinary encounters offer a delicious glimpse into the heart and soul of Austrian culture. And when it comes to accommodations, consider opting for a traditional guest house or pension instead of a large hotel. These family-run establishments offer a more intimate and authentic experience, allowing you to connect with the local community and experience the true meaning of Austrian hospitality. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly baked bread and enjoying a leisurely breakfast spread featuring homemade jams, local cheeses, and freshly brewed coffee. As we wrap up our journey through the enchanting Austrian Alps, one thing is clear. This winter wonderland is truly magical. It's a place where towering peaks touch the sky, where charming villages are nestled among snow-covered forests. Whether you're looking for the thrill of conquering a challenging black diamond run, the peaceful solitude of a snowshoe hike through a silent forest, or the fun atmosphere of a traditional après-ski gathering, the Austrian Alps offer an experience that's beyond ordinary. Imagine yourself breathing in the fresh mountain air, feeling the invigorating chill on your cheeks as you look out at a breathtakingly beautiful landscape. Picture the excitement of gliding down a perfectly groomed slope, the wind whispering past your ears as you carve your own path through the pristine snow. Envision the warmth of a crackling fire greeting you as you step inside a cozy alpine hut. The smell of Glühwein and freshly baked apple strudels filling the air. These are the experiences that await you in the Austrian Alps, experiences that you'll remember long after you've gone home. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your own Austrian Alps adventure today. Whether you're an experienced skier looking for new challenges, a family wanting an unforgettable winter vacation, or a solo traveler searching for adventure and inspiration, the Austrian Alps promise an amazing escape from the everyday. Pack your bags, embrace the alpine spirit, and let the magic of the mountains work its wonders on your soul.